What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look on how to fix Chatgpt login and slow responses. First thing first, open Chatgpt in your browser. Tap your profile icon on the top right corner on the bottom left corner. Tap the settings icon in the Chatgpt menu, then in the settings sidebar, select data controls. Tap delete all chats, then confirm the action. This removes all previous conversations from your account. Just open a new conversation and Chatgpt should now respond faster and smoother. Just clear browser cache occasionally, close other heavy tabs while using Chatgpt, and use a stable internet connection. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.